Okay, so I'm going to take a moment and film this, but you won't see it until in June. Well, you can tell this was sitting where Heifer was. This is an order from Cherry Tree Beads. I had not ordered from them as of now, and my total from them was $27. Shipping was, well, $5.50 basically, so it was almost $33 total. So part of this is for my June, and part of this is for my to be put up for other months. So if you don't see it in the June Laura's Picks, it's because it's not for June. I have my paper next to me. So let's see what all I got. I was watching Jody's unboxing and I was like, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? I have got to have something she ordered. And I don't remember what one she ordered, but I was looking because there were several types available. And look at this. They are well packed. And I decided I'm going to take a screenshot. That's my photo. I decided I had to have me some because I went through and picked out a couple that I like. And so, oh wow, that is so much bigger than what I thought. And look at this. It comes on a hanger thing. This is so cool. Let me show you this. This is how they come. I forgot Jody showed that. So, I am going to unhook this, open it up. This is like what you have your shower hook. That's what I'm thinking. Wow, they're beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I don't know where to start. I'm going to lay them in my lap. So y'all can, I should have ordered more than one of those. I did not pay attention to the size. Okay. All right, so we're going to start with these little guys. Look at how many's on that strand. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so these are glass beads. They're 8 by 10 millimeter, 8-inch strand of cat side hole beads. Okay, they go through this way, and look at that. Oh my gosh. So C148. These are the blue-green waterfall. Look at these. Okay, these were $3.60 for this big strand. That's a lot of cats. I see a lot that can be done with these earrings. You know, make an earring loop like this, so that the kitty cat will, you know, how do I want to loop him? Like so. But the kitty cat will work. It'll work. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. And these are the glass 8 by 10 millimeter watermelon pink and green vertically drilled cat heads. So these go this way, up and down. Aren't they cute? They're pink and green. They're so cute. I've been looking at cherry tree beads for like close to a month because, you know, Facebook shows me all these suggested things, and, you know, I kind of clicked on it and then I went to their actual website by typing it in. I never follow their website through Facebook. I always go and type it in the search bar and go to there. And then I look through everything, but these are gorgeous. I had a limit on what I was spending at each site, so. And then I got some Indian lamp work. Excuse me. So these are the first ones. These are the Indian lampwork glass 11 by 12 opaque turquoise blue square beads. These were $2.99. Aren't they beautiful? Ah, that's a nice long strand also. I really like those. So like I said, these are for June's picks. And then I got the same thing, but these are in opaque dark blue square beads, $2.99. Now, not everything here is for the month of June. Just saying. And then I fell down the rabbit hole because I saw these, okay? And these are polymer clay and lampwork glass beads. These were $4.99. Okay, these were kind of expensive. But look at how nicely these look with that purple. Aren't they pretty? Very pretty. So this strand was $4.99. You got 4 roses and 6 petals. And then I got the pink ones also. So let me hold it up. You got 2 with the little crystals, 2 without. They're very pretty. And then you got the lampwork petals. So there is that. It just, you know, something different that I don't have. Again, those are both $4.99. Then I got some buttons. I got, these are silver pewter rectangle buttons with leaves and dots. These were $1 for 2. They have a section that is $1, $2, $3, like that, where you can just click on it and shop by price. And these are really nice. They got a big shank, so you can get like a 1.5 millimeter through there. I thought they were really nice. I wasn't sure. These are pewter color. They're not actually pewter, I believe. So I got those buttons, and they were $1 for the pair. And I really wish I had got more of these because I wasn't sure. So this is a zinc-based alloy, pewter in quotations, 39 by 95 millimeter seahorse pendant with dangle tail. This was under the, I don't know if it's under the $2 or the $3, but guys, look at how big he is. Isn't he beautiful? And the little tail dangles. Here's the back of it. Isn't he beautiful? I should have gotten more. So there is my part of my June. The watermelon cats, the pink, and you know, these kind of things right here are going to be in my June box. I don't know. You'll see when I start dividing up my June, because I just picked up some other things, but they won't be here yet. And I'm going to put together my June box. And when I put it together, I will have a video and tell you this is Laura's picks for the month of June. And it will be a little box, and anything that I put in there for the month of June that I'm going to be making jewelry out of will be in that box. And that's, you know, what I choose to make jewelry out of. I still have May's jewelry to finish, but because of some problems I'm having right now, I haven't been able to sit down and work on it, but I'm feeling a little bit better today. I just filmed the unboxing of my leather from Leather USA, and I was like, just get it done, get it over with, everything will be fine. So like I said, this is a little bit more than I probably would have normally spent, but yeah, I really thought these were absolutely adorable, and I could not turn these down. Wanted to get him to lay there kind of prettily. There we go. Is that such a word? But anyways, I'm already planning my July, August, and September's boxes so that I can, you know, pick things out as I go along. And so if you see me not unboxing entire packages, that will be why. So everybody, we're only at, what, 12 minutes? But you know what? That's okay. I don't have a box prepared for these things. Like I said, I will be, I got to sort out boxes because I have a lot of boxes that are half empty that I need to put things gathered up into them. And I need to get that done. But right now I need to kind of relax a little bit and take care of some things. So, all right, guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Check out Cherry Tree Beads. They have some very unique beads like these, the cats, this big, beautiful pendant. They have some other fabulous buttons. I really like the shape of these buttons. I think they're going to come in handy for some of the projects I have planned coming up. And I could have really done some major damage at Cherry Tree Beads, but like I said, I limited myself a lot. But I kind of put things away so I could get these. So I want to thank everybody, and July is not going to be red, white, and blue. Just giving you a heads up. It is not going to be patriotic, okay? Just so you know. All right, guys. Let me get a screenshot just in case I want to do that one. Love each and every one of you. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it. And again, I'm going to get off here. I'll talk to all of you guys down in the comments below. If you have ideas for any of the months, I know obviously October, I love Halloween. It will be Halloween themed. So again, I'll talk to all of you. Love you guys. Bye.